Well, os empleados na coração de nosso hospital. Nosso hospital drive para pacientes e mais que tecnologia, inovação, artificial intelligence que evolve. Ora paciente vem no hospital, bom se tem emang na cama para ajudar. Então, nos empleados na muito importante. E tur ayan sa purva de hasil atividade nang tem algum dia Siman para sina duna danki, mostrar aprecio da tudo qual anda sendo para nosso hospital.
Staff Appreciation Week 2026. It was really an amazing week again. So we did a great walk together, a scavenger hunt, and what I really loved and like is that almost every department they created something amazing around the theme of Wanderlust. And so we traveled from Japan to Egypt, to France, and of course to our beautiful island of Aruba, our neighbors in Curacao. It was amazing to see that everyone took really their effort, brought a lot of ideas on the table, and I even had my drink with my own name, Jacco Rocks. I saw that some of my colleagues also work at the airport, and yeah, so I really like it, everyone did it, and so thank you so much. I'm really proud of all of you, and I'm looking forward already to next year, and of course who will be the winner of this year, so we'll let you know very soon. So this week is really important for our employees because they are the hospital. They create every day a great experience for everyone. So I'm really proud of them and hope that Aruba can be proud of our staff as well. So if you see one of the nurses, one of our employees, say thank you and we will say no semper day.
No semper day.